8 lawyers are to be elevated to the bench on the recommendation of the Collegium of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, but controversy has erupted over these recommendations. About 1,000 lawyers have raised these objections. The Collegium was headed by then Chief Justice A.K. Sikri just before he was elevated as a Supreme Court judge.
In a memorandum addressed to the Chief Justice of India, sitting judges of Supreme Court and Chief Ministers of 2 states, advocates have demanded that only advocates of impeccable integrity should be recommended for elevation to judgeship. Early this year, names of 8 advocates found suitable for elevation as judges were put forward by the High Court Collegium. These were H.S. Sidhu, Additional Advocate General Punjab, Manisha Gandhi, Additional Advocate General Punjab, B.S. Rana, Additional Advocate General Haryana, Senior Advocates Arun Palli, Girish Agnihotri and Vinod Ghai. Others included Gurminder Singh and Rajkaran Brar. Advocate R.S. Bains said that the timing of recommendation itself raises controversy as it came at the time of the elevation of Justice A.K. Sikri to the Supreme Court. Bains points out that most of the recommended lawyers are related to former judges or influential persons in legal fraternity.
एक नाम तो बहुत ही मेरिट पे है, मिस्टर हरिंदर सिंह सिद्धू के तो कोई भी आप बाहर से किसी व्यक्ति से पूछ लिया, अगर कोई व्यक्ति के पास सभी जज लाइक क्वालिटीज़ हैं तो वो उसमें है, मगर जो बाकी नाम है उनका आप सीधा रिश्ता जोड़ सकते हो क्यों बने। कंट्रोवर्सी ये है कि बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी चीफ जस्टिस के ऑफिस की है कि जब आप जा रहे हो तब क्यों रिकमेंड करते हो, जब आप आते हो पहचानो कौन अच्छा लॉयर है, किसने अच्छे, तब भेजो। जाते जाते चोरों की तरह से आपके नाम देना, और इतनी बड़ी पोस्ट के लिए, इतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबल पोस्ट के लिए, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट के लिए, ये कोई प्रोसीजर फेयर है ना ट्रांसपेरेंट है। और जाते जाते अक्सर व्यक्ति, हमने पुराने चीफ जस्टिस साहब के भी देखे, जाते जाते जो करते हैं सबसे गलत नाम तब रिकमेंड होते हैं।
Advocate Tahir Singh observed that it looked as though the lawyers recommended by the Collegium were chose with an eye to obliging the Union Law Minister.
हमारे चीफ जस्टिस थे A.K. सिकरी, उनको सुप्रीम कोर्ट की एलिवेशन करवानी थी। सुप्रीम कोर्ट की एलिवेशन तभी पॉसिबल थी जब वो लॉ मिनिस्टर को ओब्लाइज करे, प्राइम मिनिस्टर को ओब्लाइज करे।
According to the memorandum submitted by a group of High Court lawyers to the Chief Justice of India, the recommended lawyers are controversial because they are close to one another legal luminary. The group has provided detailed background on the recommended lawyers. Beginning with Manisha Gandhi, she is the daughter of former Chief Justice of India, Justice A.S. Anand. In 2013, she appeared before the court in only 7 cases, and in 2012, she appeared before the court in 36 cases. Recently, she was appointed Additional Advocate General Punjab. Then Rajkaran Brar was a junior of Justice Jasbir Singh when he was practicing. Justice Jasbir Singh was member of Collegium that sent the recommendations. B.S. Rana is Additional Advocate General Haryana and was earlier the junior of Justice S.K. Mittal when Mittal was practicing. Justice S.K. Mittal was also member of the Collegium. Girish Agnihotri is a designated senior advocate and son of retired Justice M.R. Agnihotri. Arun Palli is a senior advocate and son of a retired judge of Himachal Pradesh, Justice P.K. Palli. He had appeared in the controversial Orchids case before Justice Mohinder Kumar. An inquiry found some illegalities in the case judgment and thereafter Justice Mohinder Kumar was transferred. However, some of senior advocates reject allegations of bias and argue that if the son or daughter of a retired judge is practicing and has capability to be a good judge, then child of a judge should not be treated as a disqualification. Former High Court Bar Association Secretary Ranjeevan Singh said that the collegium system could be improved. However, being kith or kin should not be taken as a demerit. Their candidature should be considered on merits.
As जैसी allegations ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ मैं महसूस करदा भी किसी भी सिस्टम ਤੇ एलिगेशन लग सकता, दैट मे बी इवन नैशनल जुडिशल कमीशन। आई डोंट फील भी जिथे ह्यूमन बीइंग इन्वॉल्व है, जिथे डिस्क्रिप्शन इन्वॉल्व है, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਇਹ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਫੁੱਲ ਪ੍ਰੂਫ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ 100%, ਇਹਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬੈਬਿਲਿਟੀਜ਼ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਘੱਟ ਲੱਗ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਥੋੜ੍ਹੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਡਿਸਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਕਿਤੇ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਚੱਲਦਾ, ਬਟ ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਟੱਚ ਸਟੋਨ ਹੈ, ਪੈਰਾਮੀਟਰ ਹੈ, ਇਟ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਬੀ ਵੀ ਉਸ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੈਲੀਬਰ, ਉਹਦਾ परफॉर्मेंस ਉਹਦੀ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇੰਟੈਗ੍ਰਿਟੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦਾ ਕੈਲੀਬਰ ਹੈ, ਲੀਗਲ ਉਹਦਾ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਧਿਆਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖੀਏ ਤਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਮਾੜਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਥ ਐਂਡ ਕਿੰਸ ਵਾਲੀ ਵੀ ਲਿਮਿਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ। He may be a son of a judge, he may not be a son of judge, कोई ऐसी गल नहीं है.
The issue has once again raised doubts about the collegium system, which is already under fire for lack of transparency. Punjab and Haryana High Court senior advocate Anupam Gupta says that it is the time to abolish the collegium system and introduce a better system.
Years ago, I happened to be attending a seminar organized by none other than Mr. Fali Nariman himself, the doyen of the Indian Bar. It was inaugurated by Mr. Varappa Moily, who was then the Union Law Minister, and was attended by the top lawyers in the Supreme Court. And the recurrent theme of that seminar, Mr. Andhya Rujuna and Mr. P.P. Rao, both distinguished leading counsel in the Supreme Court, read papers on this, how the collegium system has collapsed. This is yet another illustration. The controversy or the protest of the lawyers of the High Court Bar in Chandigarh against the latest package of recommendations made by the collegium, headed by the then Chief Justice, Justice Sikri, now a distinguished member of the Supreme Court bench. This is the latest round of illustrative evidence regarding the collapse of this system.
The memorandum also demands rules for appointment of advocates in the Office of Advocate General so that only meritorious advocates are appointed to assist the courts. With camera person Abhijit Kumar for Sanjay Mehta, this is Inderjeet Kaur, Day and Night News, Chandigarh.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।